Okay, somebody said you don't have CPAS for your Shopee store. But if you're going to choose traffic objective, should you optimize for link click or landing page view? Yeah, good question. So I'm not looking at my screen. I do not know who you are, but thanks for the question. So if you don't have CPAS and you're selling on Shopee and you don't have CPAS, my recommendation is there's only one. You should only choose traffic, but you optimize for link click. Now, the difference between link click and landing page view is this. You should only use landing page view when you have pixel installed in the landing page, which means if you're driving to your website, you want to make sure that you have your pixel installed on your website so that they can capture the right event and the right number of people who have taken that action. However, if you're sending people to a destination that you have no control, there might be a lot of situations like Shopee, or Lazada, if you sell on all these marketplaces and you don't have CPAS, that simply means that when you send a traffic over, you lost them. So whether they land or not, you do not know. So the number is not accurate. But the only number that is accurate for your business when you're running ads is the link clicks. So you should optimize for that. It's also applicable for those people who are actually running affiliate business. Like when you send over, when you run a course affiliate kind of thing, for example, when people click on your link and go over to the landing page, you lost them. Unless they allow you to install your pixel over there. But if not, always go back to the link click. Okay, so I think that's a quick answer to that. But congratulations. But anyway, try to get CPAS. I think it's good.